Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy from Van Otten Company. It's Friday, December 7th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. You had a little bit of pressure come through in these markets, specifically corn and wheat markets. Soybeans had it come in earlier on and were able to fight their way back, only closing up 2 cents on the day though. But your corn market down about 2 to 3 cents, and then wheat market anywhere from 5 to 6 lower there. It seems like you're running out a little bit of news. There's not a lot. Forecast models changed just a little bit, specifically in South America, looking a little bit favorable. The reason you had soybeans maybe hang on was the fact that you did get sales announcements once again. So we went through that week and a half period where you didn't get any sales announcements, and now you've been getting quite a few and some larger ones here the last couple days. So that's been supporting soybeans, though they are starting to hit that resistance level where it seems like they just kind of can't break through. Like you said earlier, this sell-off that you've seen, but it was able to rally back, close slightly higher on the day. Cash cutouts came in slightly negative on cattle, and so because of that, futures dropped off just a little bit, with live cattle and feeder cattle closing just slightly lower. But lean hogs, another positive day there, really being able to move this market up about $1.32.5 on that front month's contracts. Deferred contracts up well over $2 there. Outside markets, crude market mixed there. Dollar slightly mixed as well, but the big story on the day was the Dow market being anywhere from slightly lower, then all the way rallying to 300 points higher at one point. This Dow market's really been on a tear, posting new highs almost daily here after since the night of the election. It's really just been able to really take off since they looked like it was going to be Trump that was going to be elected. That was really when the market turned around, and hasn't really been able to turn around since. So some positivity into that Dow market. Moving forward, what we're going to be watching is export sales here tomorrow. That's really going to be the biggest deal for soybeans. It's going to be able to either support these beans or really drop them off. Now, we were dry for about a week and a half as far as those sales go. We'll see how where announcements come in. They've been a little bit lower the last couple weeks, but still some really decent sales in there. And then Friday, there's a crop report. Typically, the Friday crop report or the December crop report doesn't offer a lot of details. Usually, they wait until January to make some big moves, just because January they finalize production. But nonetheless, they do change around some numbers, and they can if they want to, but it should be relatively quiet there. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.